Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, back with another video, and in this video I'll be explaining you SEO in the shortest and the simplest way possible. So bear with me for whatever time this video is going to be long for, and this is both useful for YouTubers and Instagrammers equally, because I'll also be explaining you SEO and Instagram in this video. Now, if you are an Instagrammer, skip ahead to the timestamp given down below to go to the Instagram part, and let's start with the YouTube part of this video. Now, if you are to ask me what is SEO for YouTube, I will tell you it's everything. Yes, that's the shortest answer possible for this. SEO is everything for YouTube. Why? Because Google owns YouTube. Right. Now, what are the things that you need to do for SEO? Is it scary? Do you need classes? What do you do? Well, nothing of that sort, nothing so dangerous, nothing so scary as it sounds. Now, when I was a new YouTuber, I did not know anything, right? And I still don't know a lot, but whatever I know, SEO is a very major part of it. Now, how do you start working on the SEO for your YouTube channel? It's very simple, right? First, get these two extensions, whichever one you like, either vidIQ or TubeBuddy, whichever one you prefer. Now, these extensions, what they do is, once you sign in and you give permissions for your YouTube account, they are going to suggest you keywords, they are going to give you analytics, and that is going to be very useful for you. And I'll tell you how. Now, there are three main things when it comes to SEO on YouTube. That is the title, description, and tags. Now, a lot of people ignore tags thinking it's not necessary. It is very necessary. That is the only way you're going to get tagged. Well, not the only way, your description and title work in it too. But tags are very important. But let's first conquer a problem one by one. We'll talk about the title. So I have a video done before where I include everything. If you want to go watch that, it's on the I button. But nonetheless, we are talking about the title. Now, for the title, you need to think of your topic. Let's say I am making a video on Nikon D5300, right? So if I'm making a video on Nikon D5300, what am I going to do? I'm going to download those extensions. Once I've set up those extensions, I'm going to go on YouTube, like normal YouTube, not YouTube Studio. I'm going to search for Nikon D5300. I'm going to sort the search from view count and this week. Why this week? Because that is the recent ranking, right? If you do this day, you might not get an accurate information because the tags are constantly getting reshuffled and the volume is changing. Now, this introduces us to something known as search volume. What is search volume? This term is thrown around a lot in SEO. Well, search volume basically means how many times this search has taken place. So let's say how many people have searched for Nikon D5300 review. Now, it's a volume. There are a certain amount of people who have searched for Nikon D5300 review. Should I use that in my title, or should I use something else that has been searched even more? Now, once you have decided this, looking at the view counts and the keywords. Now, the keywords will be displayed on the right side in whichever extension you are having a look at, right? So you go on the video which has the highest view count, you will find all the details there, the engagement rate, the tags, the search ranking, everything, right? Now, as soon as you're on the video, first look at their titles, right? Once you have looked at their title, grab the keyword from that title. Why? Don't grab the whole title. YouTube will hit you with really bad view counts. Trust me, you do not want to copy people's stuff. What you're going to do is you are going to copy that keyword, because that keyword will allow you to be able to be seen in the search, right? Because people don't search for your channel and a keyword. They just search for the keyword and they find your channel, right? So you put that keyword in your title so it's easy to find, right? Once you're done with the title, we come to the description. Now, description is slightly tricky. Now, don't go away from the video you've already opened which has a high view count. What we are going to do is we're going to have a view at the description written by that person, and we're not going to copy. What you'll observe is the keywords that are being ranked, right? Let's say Nikon D5300 and Nikon D5300 review. All these keywords are constantly repeating in the description. In fact, what I do is I copy all the tags into the description to rank better. And it helps because the keywords are seen in your title, in your description, and even in your tags. So it's very important that you include those keywords even in your description. And make sure whatever video you're making, neither the title nor the description is deceptive. right? Because YouTube might hit you with a community strike, or you might not get enough viewer retention, right? So don't try to be deceiving. Write truthfully what's there and use keywords in it. Once you're done with this, you need to go to tags, right? Now this is where it's an easy game. What you do is, you've seen this video, right? The video will have a channel specific tag. Don't use it, it will negatively affect, or might not even affect, but sometimes it does negatively affect. What you're going to do is you're going to copy the tags using these extensions, copy all the tags of that video into your tag section. Why? Because we have already known that these keywords, these tags work. This person is getting views. So you will also start getting views. But remember, not equally, right? Because it depends on your subscriber base, your audio, video retention, your quality of video, etc. etc. Now, once you have done all of this, right, you start being ranked. But is that enough? No. So a thing that I observed was, one day I put up a video and I was the first one to put a video about that topic, and I started getting crazy views and it just stopped. Why? Because the channel that's most popular or has the highest view count with that keyword is going to set what new keywords come up, right? Because people obviously watch them more, hence the search volume increase for the keywords they have used, right? So what you are going to do is you're going to give it a week or so with the same keywords, right? Same tags. Once a week has passed and maybe you see that your views are declining, you again do the whole process. You search and you change those tags. You change the description tags. Don't change your title, because it might feel to your other subscribers that, okay, something is fishy. Don't do that, right? Then comes the idea of the channel information. Now, once you go to the left side of your YouTube studio and you click on settings, you're going to get channel settings. Here, the name, the description also is supposed to have SEO. So what you're going to say is, if you are making tech videos, include the keyword mystery tech, best tech, top 5 in your description, in your channel tags. Why? Because it will also help you rank on Google search, not just YouTube, but Google search too. If you go right now and search for Rom Gurji, you are going to find my YouTube channel to be the first result. And when you do that, click there, click on the subscribe button. Thank you guys. But yeah, please subscribe guys. And now we are going to move to Instagram, because this is all you need to do for the moment to grow your SEO on YouTube. Switching to Instagram. Now we are coming to Instagram, the Reels game, the influencer game, the photo game. I am not going to tell you how to up your photo game, because I myself do not have a good photo game, right? So yeah, I'll leave that to the professionals. But we are talking about SEO in Instagram. How do you do that? How does that work? Well, my friends, worry not. I will tell you how SEO works on Instagram. Now, Instagram has a different outlook, right? Instagram works on hashtags, right? Just assume this is same to YouTube's tags, by the way, right? You have a specific place to put those tags. Here in Instagram, you just need to put that hashtag. So Instagram is working on the hashtag idea, right? Now again, keywords are important everywhere, because if you want to come in Google search, right? A lot of Instagram influencers don't know this, or know this, I don't know. If you're not a very well known, or you've just started out, you might not know this, that even your Instagram pages get ranked on Google search. And what you need to do for that is, right, you can go on Google search and just type keyword analysis, and you're going to get a lot of free sites that will allow you at least top 5 to 10 keywords for the topic you have searched for. Copy those keywords and put that in your caption, right? Let's say your main caption is something else, put it on the bottom of your caption. Then you download an app on your phone called the hashtag generator app. Very simple, very easy. Now what the hashtag generator app does is, you're given a space to search, right? You're going to search for the things, the topic your photo is related to. Let's say it's portrait, black and white, cool. But still, we're going to search for that. What you're going to do is you're going to get a list of keywords, right? Now hashtag generator has something known as Smart Select, which allows you to select keywords ranging from if they have a high search volume, low search volume, middle search volume. You're going to get all of these keywords automatically selected. Once they're selected, they're already copied to your clipboard. All you have to do now, right, whether you're posting a reel, IGTV, or a post, you're going to copy all of these keywords and put them in your caption, right? But remember, have some space between your actual caption and these hashtags so that it does not look very dirty. And what you're going to do is you're going to just post it. Now I'll tell you what happens is, since the hashtag is there, they'll start getting highlighted in blue. Now Instagram has this function where you can actually search for photos based on hashtag. So if I write hashtag Nikon D5300, I'll get all the photos with hashtag Nikon D5300 in their caption. And that is what you need. You need to come on those pages, right? Because you may not know this, a lot of times if a hashtag is trending, if a hashtag is going up and up, Instagram is going to promote all the photos that has this hashtag in the caption, and that is going to work out really well for you. But that's not it. What you're going to do is you are going to do a few tricks. Now in the description are a few bots for Instagram. Now these bots are not follow bots. It will not increase your followers. You'll not get some crazy followers. These are basically lines of code that you will authorize your Instagram account with. What these bots will basically do is, let's say there's a famous celebrity who does photography. I am a newbie and I want to follow all the people who follow that celebrity so that they also try to follow me back and see my content. What you're going to do is you're going to use these bots to follow them at one go, right? Automatically, because if you keep on clicking that follow button, your hands are going to get tired. So that needs to be automated. Once you are done, right? And this is special for Instagrammers out there, all my friends who are trying to become famous, who are trying to earn money from this. There's a site called Shoutcart, right? So use that site, Shoutcart, to register yourself once you have their certain limit of followers that you need to have. And once you do that, you're going to get contracts, you're going to get money for the stories you put, which is good if you are a student and want to earn a little more. Now once you have all of that out of the way, your SEO game is going to be magic. If you did like the video, please subscribe to Rom Gurji on YouTube or follow me on Instagram for more such videos. And I hope this did not waste your time. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.